Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. Well, as you can see, I got my Trailblazer all torn apart here, and I'm changing out the exhaust port liners right here. Let me show you the part number on this in case you're so inclined to change these guys out. 2460507-S. This is on that Kohler CH20 motor, but if you look, that is what the old liners look like right there. I didn't notice these guys until I was pulling out or replacing the muffler, because the old muffler in this guy, the baffles had all broken loose and it rattled. And one of these guys just happened to fall out, and I was like, what the hell is that? And it took some Googling, and yeah, so these exhaust port liners are stainless steel. They just look like that, but the old ones obviously have seen better days. So these guys just slip into that aluminum head like that. Real easy to change, and then you just pop your muffler. Zoom out a bit here. Your muffler just goes right back on there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed here with the camera. But yeah, just like that. And that's it. So basically, if you got one of these guys, this one's got 800 hours on it, so I'm assuming these are probably the original. Might be worth a look before, you know, that exhaust gas burns through your head. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm up to today. I'm just getting ready for the next job I got coming up here. Trying to get everything all ready to go. And anyway, yeah. I guess I'll do a video maybe while I'm out there on, you know, kind of how I got into that line of work. Pretty much serendipity there. I just kind of happened to be slow at a time when somebody got a hold of me and wanted some of that done, and I kind of figured out how to do it. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll fire up the Trailblazer here and let you see how it works.